Our involvement in the Premier project is mostly the responsibility to develop and build what we call virtual theatre, and two of the pilot cases that we embrace in this project. One of those cases has to do with virtually meeting two individuals from two remote locations and having a rehearsal either for a theatrical play or for a dance performance. And the second, it has to do with the creation of a digital copy of a live performance streamed to the outside world either through VR headsets or through the mobile devices of individuals outside of the theatre. In September, our team will focus mostly on the pilot case that has to do with the streaming and presentation of a live performance. We will have a live performance here at Coliseu, and we will be recording this performance and streaming it to the outside world either through VR headsets, so one can immerse and feel like they are in the theatre and observe the performance, or, as I said earlier, through their mobile devices. I think that everyone who is interested in the blending of art, science and technology and innovative and new ways of creating art should come and see this. Of course, there is also more specific interest to professionals that are within this performing arts world. Actors, directors, or even venue stakeholders. I think it will be interesting for them to come and observe this new form of presenting art. I think the team worked quite hard in this project. There were many technical obstacles that we found in the path creating this proof of concept of the virtual theatre. I think the biggest achievement is that we managed to get a very good expertise on how these things can work, and placing ourselves as one of the key teams, I would say, that can offer services to others that might want to continue and use these technologies.